Now that you've found the perfect video, it's time to add questions. After you've copied your video to My Content, select the Edit option, which will open Edpuzzle's video editor. When you click on the Questions tab, you'll see various options. Play your video, and when you've reached the point where you want to add questions, click on which type you want to add. You can also click on the timeline bar below your video, where you want to add your question. For multiple choice, just enter your question and your answer choices, making sure to select the green check mark for the correct answer or answers, and the red X for incorrect answers. To add a response, click on the plus sign where it says Add another answer choice. You can also add feedback for each response by clicking on Feedback. As an added bonus, your multiple choice questions will be graded automatically. If you're looking for longer responses, choose the open-ended option. These types of questions are perfect for encouraging critical thinking, and you'll be able to score them and provide feedback on your students' responses as soon as they answer. The Note option is perfect for when you want to add some more information, or even record a brief audio comment. For all three of the options, you can also take advantage of additional features, including the Equation Editor, perfect for math teachers, or the option to add a hyperlink or an image. To add multiple questions or notes at the same point in your video, select the question type of your choice below, where it says Add another note or question here. While you're using the video editor, remember, you can always edit your question with a pencil icon, delete it with the trash bin icon, or move it by dragging it along the timeline bar. So, now you know how to add questions and personalize your video for your students. Happy teaching!